What to do during internship. Now I know that many of you have this question that okay, finally it is completed, finally you have passed all the examinations and the internship is going to start, and you're worried that some of you might not have done good in your first to final years. COVID was there in between and there is no much exposure, don't know what you will do or how you will become expert in the physiotherapy field or how you will improve your skills. But internship is the time in which you can recover all your loss and become expert, skillful physiotherapist if you are going in a perfect direction. Hello everyone, this is me Physiotendz, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can take maximum advantage of internship time. The first thing that you have to do in the beginning of your internship is that setting up a goal. And this goal can be anything from like doing MPT, going abroad, or setting up your own clinic, taking some of your experience, or else let's say some of you might have to, or some of you might want to go for the management level courses, anything. My advice is decide this goal at least within 1 month of starting of your internship. Now, of course, setting up a goal doesn't mean that you're going to achieve that goal. And that is why the second thing what you have to do during your internship is setting milestones to achieve that goal. Because obviously goal you have already set, but if you don't know how to achieve that goal only will be goal forever. Right? So let's say for an example, you want to go to abroad, foreign country for higher education or for working. Then first decide which country you want to go, which university you want to select, which courses you want to opt for, what will be the requirements from your side for applying for those courses, credential evaluation, documentation required, or English proficiency test required. Everything you have to do your research and find out the requirements and then start working on it step by step, milestone by milestone, and then only after 6 months you will be completely ready to achieve your goal. And now the third and the final thing that you should do during your internship is keep upgrading yourself daily basis. You have to learn one new skill or one new thing every day during your internship. You also know that during your internship, apart from doing internship, you don't have anything much to do. You don't have to attend classes, you don't have any other work. So this is the time you have to utilize maximum by reading an article every day, or let's say talking to your seniors or your professors, faculties, learning something new every day about your patients, treating, soft skills or hard skills, or it can be anything like network making, because if your goal is to make your own clinic, set up your own clinic, the network making also makes a lot of difference. So start upgrading yourselves on a daily basis. Don't waste this 6 months of time, and then you will see the result that even though you had less marks in first to final years, it will not matter much if you are maximally utilizing this internship period. If you want to get more ideas related to physiotherapy career or upgrading your skills, you can watch many of my videos on my channel under playlist of What After BPT or Physiotherapy Learnings or Physiotherapy Exercises. You can watch all these playlists. You will find lots of information about the physiotherapy career guideline. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share these videos to your friends so that everybody can take advantage of it.